Then came the turning point of the series, and it did happen on the hard court. It occurred in the press room. Tim Cone, a master tactician and a genius at psyching out his opponents, predicted that Alaska would win games 5 and 6 and wrap up the championship.
We came in with the idea tonight, and I know this may sound a little arrogant, but I think sometimes you have to be a little bit confident in this kind of series. And we came into this game tonight saying, Shell won their last game already. They won their last game last Sunday. They're not going to win anymore. We're going to finish this thing on Sunday.
Shell fought tooth and nail in Game 5 to prove Cone wrong. But in the end, Alaska prevailed in a low-scoring, rugged defensive game, 70-63. And Cone looked well on the way to fulfilling his bold prediction.
So Hawkins, pinigay sa dalawang court. Here's Cariaso. Barrientos from the side. Yes, that's it. Coach Tim Cone's predictions have become half true.
Halfway.
Game number 6 could be the last, but we're sure not if Chito Narvaez and his gang can help it.
However, he didn't reckon with the gutsy Shell squad. Despite 5 players scoring in double figures for Alaska, Shell ultimately came through 88-85 to even the count at 3 games apiece and send the championship series to a do-or-die 7th game.
Coach Chito Narvaez to get the teammates to help out in bringing the ball up. Ito na.
Dixon to Redfield. Dixon lets it fly. Yes!
Oh, yes! 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 Reggie Dixon.
Oh, what a big save! Court, they said we shall meet again. So Alaska's party, which was scheduled for tonight, is not going to take place.
What a series it just turned out to be.
This is the day you've been waiting for, the final game. Game 7, winner take all, the Commissioner's Cup Conference Finals. Are you ready?
Para sa Kim Queen. Dilabas na naman kay Redfield. Tira ng 3-point. Yes! Sabi sa'yo, how big that free throw shot. Kung pumasok yun, tabla na tayo. Eto na si Kenny Redfield, mga kaibigan, taking over for Shell. Just a 1-point lead by Alaska, but they have possession. Oh, 1 minute and 35.
What a mismatch for Winyo. They've got to double team.
Kicks it out to Barrientos. Hawkins now. Oh! Big foul! Plus a foul! Oh, what a big reversal hit!
Taras makes the first and ties the ball game at 75 all.
75 all. 2 minutes and 27 seconds to go.
Tignan natin itong second free throw.
Redfield here. Oh! Benji Paras grabs it! Blocked by Winyo!
Hindi niya linabas yung bola. Benji Paras wanted to go for the kill there.
Tied ball game, folks. 75 all. 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. Lastimosa. Laban kay Vic Pablo. Hawkins!
Yes! Yun ang mga tirada ni Hawkins.
2-point lead by Alaska, 77-75. Kenny Redfield, maatake lang ang Kewinyo. Benji Paras against Chambers, wala. Barrientos para sa rebound. Off to Lastimosa in the front court. Hawkins. Winyo. Naghahanap ng papasan. He sees an opening. Si Tixon na nagbabatay sa kanya. Lastimosa is open!
Yes! Bigla na naman. 2 big baskets here by Alaska.
This has got to be one of the classics.
One of the classics.
Dito sa PBA.
Yeah. Yung 2 teams just refusing to die and give up. Hindi pa tapos ito, partner.
Oo. Romel Santos. Redfield. 3-point shot.
Not this time.
Paras. Si Paras. Lastimosa. Redfield gets to it. Titira na naman. Wala. Pablo na bitawan ang bola.
Can keep possession. Importante sa Shell. Good inbound. They got to score.
And Redfield. Dilabas kay Richie Dixon. Romel Santos. Santos nakahanap. Binigay kay Dixon na naman. Ito si Redfield.
He's going to
challenging Chambers. Layup by Redfield. Won't go pero nakakuha siya ng foul.
Now very big free throw. Something that has hurt Shell the whole night. They've missed their free throws.
Redfield makes the first, however. 3-point lead by Alaska. Redfield, masyadong malakas, pero tumalbog pa paloob.
Everybody's gonna go after.
Ito na si Wong Hawkins. Johnny Abarientos. Lastimosa is open in the front court. Sean Chambers.
Somebody's gotta give up a foul now.
Oh, ito na, si Elmer Lago. Pinaw si Johnny Abarientos.
Look at Johnny. That's not the guy to foul.
Sixth and last foul on Benji.
No choice yan eh. Siya pinakamalapit sa taong pinasahan eh.
Oh. Lastimosa very calmly makes the first. Importante pa rin to. Pangalawa ni Jonas, pasok na pasok. And it is now a 4-point lead.
Tagal pa yan.
Oh, Kenny Redfield throwing up that shot. Portueño and Alaska
will win a championship.
With 9/10 of a second remaining. 4-point lead by Alaska. They will take home the Commissioner's Cup trophy.
It was here that the class and the championship character of Alaska came through. Once again, the hardworking Sean Chambers held the team together, along with Lastimosa and Hawkins, to score an 83-77 victory and encrust the second jewel in the Grand Slam Triple Crown. 2 down, 1 to go.